In fish farming, proper filtration is the key to maintaining healthy fish, clear water, and high yields. There are three main types of filtration systems in fish farming. In this video, you will be taken through the three types of filtration system in fish farming. We shall look at the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. And the last one is the best and my most recommended system for you. So please stay watching, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and let's dive in details. One of the types of filtration system in fish farming is biological filtration. And the biological filtration uses beneficial bacteria to break down harmful waste products like ammonia, like nitrite, into less toxic nitrate. So this process is known as the nitrogen cycle, and it is essential in reservoir aquatic system. Let's see how the biological filtration works. Now, fish produces ammonia through waste and respiration. Like the feces that the fish produce and leftover feed, when they come together, they produce ammonia. So this ammonia is harmful. So the biological filtration, that the biological bacteria will filter and turn these harmful or toxic chemicals into good ones. That is nitrate, which is good for the fish. So this is what it does. So the nitrate can also be removed through what we call aquaponics. So as part of it, you can pass through this waste into the roots of crops, and that will filter the toxic chemicals and turn it into harmless and then push it back to the fish. So this is how the biological filtration works. The advantage of the biological filtration system is that it breaks down harmful ammonia and nitrite, preventing fish poisoning. This harmful chemicals can poison the fish, so this breaks it down. Now, it creates a stable and self-sustainable ecosystem. And then the biological filtration also reduces water change frequency. Once you always filter or change the harmful chemicals into harmless ones, then the constant change of water is safe. Now, the disadvantage of this system is that it takes time to establish. The bacteria needs to convert the chemicals or the harmful chemicals into good ones. It takes time to build up, so it doesn't come immediately. Now, these bacteria are also sensitive to poor water conditions, so always make sure that you monitor the system very well to make sure that the bacteria are doing their work effectively. Now, the second filtration system in fish farming is the chemical filtration. And this chemical filtration removes the dissolved impurities, odors, and toxins using absorbent materials like activated carbons, zeolites, and resins. This, what it does is that it introduces chemicals into the pond, and such chemicals serves as filtration in a way of breaking down the toxins. Now let's see the difference. Bacteria ones are using bacteria. You said the biological ones are using bacteria. As the name suggests, biology. So it's using bacteria to break down harmful ammonia, to break down harmful chemicals in the fish pond. But the chemical filtration is using chemicals to break down harmful materials or harmful chemicals in the pond. So that's the clear difference. So now, mostly the chemical filtration comes in case of emergencies. There are times that the pond water is dirty and the chemicals is so much that the toxin is so much that it can kill your fish if you don't act immediately. So this is mostly when the chemical filtration comes to play. You apply it to the fish pond and it will immediately disinfect or kill all these bacteria and allow your fish to thrive. So that means that this is emergency cases. So now, how it works is that, like I said, it uses chemicals to filter. So use chemical filters media to absorb harmful substances. You activate carbon that removes toxin and dechlorination. You also use resins, which are also form of chemicals to disinfect the fish pond. The advantage is that it quickly removes toxin. That's what I said. This comes in case of emergency. it gives you emergency remedy. It also useful to improve water clarity and reduce odor. This will also make the fish farm not smelling or odorless. So that's also it. Now the disadvantage is that this requires regular replacement. Like I said, it comes during emergency stage. So once you apply it, then to serve that emergency purpose, you need to get another filtration system to help you. And it's not a long time or lasting solution. Like I said, always get other filtration system. So with the chemical filtration, like I said, it comes during emergency stage. So it's not a long or everlasting solution. Now, we now come to the most important and the most recommended filtration system, and that's the mechanical filtration. This mechanical filtration, it uses physical barriers to remove solid waste and debris. And this mostly it works with the biological filtration. So I'm very familiar with the mechanical filtration and the biological filtration. That's what we are using all the time. Now, the mechanical filtration, how it works is that it uses components. We have the settlement tank, we have the filter pads, we have the debris collection pipes, we have the filtration containers, we have submersible pumps. All these working together to remove the debris or the waste from the pond. Now, I said it works with the biological filtration because when the first filtration container removes the first insoluble particles, and then it goes into the second filtration where the biological filtration will also take place and remove the remaining waste and convert the toxic chemicals into useful one, and it goes back into the pond. So now this filtration system is the best because, like I said, it combines both the physical and the biological filtration system. Now, the advantage is that it removes insoluble particles before it decomposes into the system. So now, if the insoluble particles are removed and it doesn't decompose into the system, it means that you don't even need chemical filtration or biological filtration because the things that will even let you need them in the first place will not even exist or will not even come to play. Have you seen how it works? So it will remove them before they even turn into harmful. Now, it also reduces stress in the fish, and it improves water clarity and water quality. And this system, more importantly, can make you stock more fish in the system. Now, the disadvantage is that this needs regular cleaning and maintenance. You need to keep daily cleaning to make sure that the place is not smelly and to make sure that the system is working efficiently. Always do daily checkup to make sure that your submersible pumps are working and everything is perfect. So this constant or all the time cleaning and maintaining is one of the disadvantages of this system. Now, why is it the best? So why biological and mechanical filtration are the useful and the best one is that it's the foundation for filtration system. And like I said, it removes solid waste in the first place and it breaks them down and overload the biological filter, and that will not even lead you to even use mechanical or biological filtration. That's how it works. Now, how it works is that, so without mechanical filtration, there will be more solid waste. And if there's more solid waste, there will be more ammonia built up. And if there's more ammonia built up, there will be fish stress, disease, and mortality. So the first chain will be cut out. There's not the need to even pass through all these systems. Now, if I've been inspired and you think that mechanical filter is the best, as we explained, then we have a mechanical filtration course for you. This course is a step-by-step tutorial where we give you how to build this system for yourself. You just need to purchase the materials, build it for yourself, and you are good to go. This is super affordable, and we will leave a link in the description. You can check that one out. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.